Hello everyone, today I will introduce you the wireless calling system T116A. For this system, it includes the menu and the antenna, the charging case, the charging cable and the charging slot and the keypad and the 10 pages as well. For this system, it supports 998 pages in total, so you can add more pages if you need. For this system, the keypad is touchable, so it's very convenient for use. And the 10 slots, and also this is for antenna, this is for the charging. For the pager, you can see it has the special design and also has the cancel key. You can press this one to cancel. If the customer receives a message, they can press this one to cancel, not have to ring a lot until you put it back. And for this plastic, you can remove this one, and you can change the paper by yourself. And if you need more units, you can also ask for customize as well. And it has the set key and the mode key, and you can set it later. Besides, for this system, it has 300 milliampere, so you can use it for the whole day, and don't worry there's no battery. Besides, the range is about 300 meters in open area, and it also can work with the model T116. And they can share the same pager and the charging slot. So if you have both, they can use together. And if you need more information about this one, you can contact us by support@retekess.com. Besides, you can also visit our website www.retekess.com for more information. Thank you.